Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I am gonna teach you how to perform a biddle trick. How to perform a biddle trick, that's what I gonna teach you in today's performance. So in biddle trick the spectator may choose whichever card they may like. Suppose the spectator choose these cards, which is something I don't know what it is, but suppose the spectator choose that card, I will lose it in the middle of the deck, and then I will ask the spectator, I know your card, wait, but I don't know your card, but I will remove 5 cards from the deck, at least one should be a card. So you remove 5 cards from the deck like this, which is this 5 card. Then ask the spectator, do you see a card? Oh, spectator. Suppose he say yes, then these are the 5 cards. I think one of these is your card. I'm gonna ask you something. I will show you all these 5 cards one by one. What you wanna do is just say yes or no, but say it in your mind. So what's your name? See, you said your name. I said say it in your mind. So I will show one by one card, but say it in your mind. Don't say it out loud. So see, is this your card? Is this? Is this? Is this? Is this? So from your expression, I think I had got a rough idea where your card is. So these are the 5. So these are the 5 cards. 1 2 3 4 5. So these are the 5 cards. I want you to hold them in your hand. Suppose this is the spectator hands, and spectator is holding the card this way in their hand. And if I smack my fingers, the 5 cards turn into 4, and their card is now not in the deck. Do you know why it is? Because throughout the whole deck, only one card has turned over. See, only one card from the whole deck, just one card has turned over. See, throughout the whole deck. Oh, this is actually the double backer card. Throughout the whole deck, just one card has turned over, and that card is your card, 10 of diamond. So that's the performance. Let's hop on to the tutorial. So for this tutorial, first you can do whatever you like. You may force a card, or you may after select the card from, let the spectator select the card, then you may control the card to the bottom in whichever method you may like. In performance I use this method. Suppose the spectator use this card, suppose this card. So spectator, you can use this method in the spectator. In the performance I just did the normal classic cut, but suppose you can use this method. Suppose this way. Suppose this is the spectator's card. You may just curl the card. See, I had curled it to the bottom, 10 of diamonds. See, now suppose spectator choose this card, and this card goes right in the middle. Suppose this card, which is ace of diamond, show the spectator their card, and then just curl it to the bottom. So how to perform this curl? What you wanna do is just show them their card, which is 5 of diamond. Put this stack of deck above the card by covering their card like this, which is actually outside. Then release this stack of cards, and with your this hand curl it this way and force it to the bottom. See, let me show you again. Spread the cards. Suppose the spectator chose this card. Put all the stack of card out, jogging it little bit this outward. Then put whole stack of cards, and then behind this you had to curl the card this way at the bottom. See, in fast it would look like this. Just do this and this. The call is now final time. Final. Suppose this is the spectator's card, just do this way and the card is curled to the bottom of the deck. So that's how you curl the card, and you had control it to the bottom. Then take any 5 card away including their card. Suppose this one is their card. Out jog 5 cards, whichever card you may like. Out jog this way 5 cards. These are only 4. Out jog 5 card, then ask them is one of your in this is one your card there from 5 of these, is there your card? Suppose they say yes, and then ask them that I will show you card one by one. Don't say it loudly, just say it in your mind that your card is there or not. Just say it in your mind. I will try to read your mind. Just say this. So while performing this, what's happened, most of the spectators say yes loudly. So ask them some question or whatever you may ask. Just ask them their name, and if they say loudly, then tell them. You don't have to say it loudly. When I ask question, just say it in your mind. So put their 5 cards at the top of the deck this way. Then with your thumb strip one by one card like this. And you have to keep one thing in mind, that you have to always place their card at that second position. Their card, see this way, at the second position, and then out jog the first card, the second card. When you out jog the second card, which is actually their card, take and pinky break like this, in this way, and then strip the next card, which is 5 of diamond, leaving the 5 king at at the bottom of the deck. See, when you do this movement, the first card, you take a pinky break here, and again when you go taking the next card, leave this card here. See this way, just pinky break and hold it with your thumb and middle finger, this king, and strip the next card. See this way. Then next. See, now they are the 4 card. Then place it down, and you have to do OMSI count. See, it's look like this. These are actually 4 count, but you have to count them 5 times. See, in fast it would look like this: 1 2 3 4 5. See, let me show you again: 1 2 3 4 5. See how to perform this OMSI count: 1 2 3 4 5. What you wanna do is first take the first card and place it at the bottom and count that card. See this way: 1 2 3 4 5. So what you had done is you had count one card 2 times. See, 1, put it at the bottom, then 2, then 3, then 4. Oh, these are actually first put it at the bottom: 1 2 3 4 5. See it fast, it would look like this: 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So let me show you again: 1 2 3 4 5. So that's the OMSI count. Tell them to hold out their hand out and put the cards in their hand like this, and then cut this deck. So what it did is put this card in the middle. See this way, and then do something magical gesture like this or whatever you may like, and tell them to open their hand. When one card is disappeared, which is their card that has disappeared, then show them the deck that only one card has now facing upward, and that card is King of Diamonds. So that's the trick. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.